The 78th Golden Globes Award on Cinema and Television will take place on February 28, 2021, which is nearly 2 months later than the normal due to the impact of COVID-19 pandemic. The event will be hosted by Tina Fey and Amy Poehler, returning for the fourth time after hosting in 2013, 2014, and 2015. The event was produced by Dick Clark Productions and Hollywood Foreign Press Association and aired live on NBC in the United States. The nominees were announced on February 3, 2021. The film Mank receives most number of nominations, which is 6, followed by The Trial of the Chicago 7 received 5 nominations. Let's move ahead to see the winners list. Golden Globe for the Best Motion Picture Drama. The winner is Nomadland. Golden Globe for Best Motion Picture Musical or Comedy. The winner is Borat subsequent movie film. Golden Globe for the Best Actor in a Motion Picture Drama. The winner is Chadwick Boseman for Ma Rainey's Black Bottom. Golden Globe for Best Actress in a Motion Picture Drama. The winner is Andra Day for The United States vs. Billie Holiday. Golden Globe for Best Actor in a Motion Picture Musical or Comedy. The winner is Sacha Baron Cohen for Borat subsequent movie film. Golden Globe for Best Actress in a Motion Picture Musical or Comedy. The winner is Rosamund Pike for I Care a Lot. Golden Globe for Best Supporting Actor in a Motion Picture. The winner is Daniel Kaluuya for Judas and the Black Messiah. Golden Globe for Best Supporting Actress in a Motion Picture. The winner is Jodie Foster for The Mauritanian. Golden Globe for Best Director. The winner is Chloe Zhao for Nomadland. Golden Globe for Best Screenplay. The winner is Aaron Sorkin for The Trial of the Chicago 7. Golden Globe for Best Original Score. The winner is Trent Reznor, Atticus Ross, and Joan Bastide. It was shared between them for Soul. Golden Globe for the Best Original Song. The winner is EOC Scene for The Life Ahead. Golden Globe for Best Animated Motion Picture. The winner is Soul. Golden Globe for the Best Foreign Language Motion Picture. The winner is Minari. The next session is on the Golden Globe TV Awards. Golden Globe for Best Television Series Drama. The winner is The Crown. Golden Globe for Best Television Series Musical or Comedy. The winner is Schitt's Creek. Golden Globe for Best Actor in a TV Series Drama. The winner is Josh O'Connor for The Crown. Golden Globe for Best Actress in a TV Series Drama. The winner is Emma Corrin for The Crown. Golden Globe for Best Actor in a TV Series Musical or Comedy. The winner is Jason Sudeikis for Ted Lasso. Golden Globe for Best Actress in a TV Series Musical or Comedy. The winner is Catherine O'Hara for Schitt's Creek. Golden Globe for Best Performance by an Actor in a Mini-Series or Television Film. The winner is Mark Ruffalo for I Know This Much Is True. Golden Globe for Best Performance by an Actress in a Miniseries or Television Film. The winner is Anya Taylor-Joy for The Queen's Gambit. Golden Globe for Best Supporting Actor in a Series, Miniseries or Television Film. The winner is John Boyega for Small Aches. Golden Globe for Best Supporting Actress in a Series, Miniseries or Television Film. The winner is Gillian Anderson for The Crown. Golden Globe for Best Miniseries or Television Film. The winner is The Queen's Gambit. The Crown series received 4 Golden Globe Awards for different categories. Cecil B. DeMille Award is an honorary award bestowed to honorees who have made a significant mark in the film industry. It is named after its first recipient, director Cecil B. DeMille. This award was received by Jane Fonda. Carol Burnett Award is an honorary award given for outstanding and lasting contributions to television on or off the screen. It is named in honor of its first recipient, actress Carol Burnett. This award was received by Norman Lear.